The Red Sea and the Western Indian Ocean are among the world's most strategic maritime corridors, serving as critical arteries for global trade, energy flows, and economic prosperity. Yet, these waters face escalating and increasingly complex threats including piracy, smuggling, illegal unreported and unregulated fishing, and emerging cyber risks. These challenges not only undermine regional stability and maritime governance, but also threaten global supply chains, requiring coordinated, sustained, and well-resourced international action. To meet these challenges, the European Union, in partnership with the International Maritime Organization, Expertise France, and the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime (UNODC), has launched the Crisis Response Project for the Red Sea and the Western Indian Ocean. This 18-month, €4 million initiative is strengthening cooperation between coastal states, enhancing maritime information sharing, and building national capacities to safeguard these critical waters. Through capability assessments, training workshops, new technology, and joint maritime exercises, the Crisis Response Project will help countries work together, sharing real-time data, reinforcing Coast Guard capabilities, and aligning legal frameworks. By empowering regional ownership and fostering collaboration, the project will support safe navigation, sustainable development, and stability for the millions who rely on the Red Sea and the Western Indian Ocean. Crisis Response Project, Red Sea and Western Indian Ocean, strengthening cooperation, securing seas, and sustaining growth.